Mastering your craft shouldn't just limit you to your own space. You need to get out there when you can and draw inspiration from the world around you. As a chef, I make sure to step out of the kitchen to explore and learn new things. I get to develop a deeper appreciation for where ingredients come from and how geography, cultures, and all other elements lead to the creation of a signature dish. I get to take breaks to experience moments that inspire and motivate me. So what are you in the mood for? Something sweet or something spicy? Curiosity starts that spark, and it's courage that pushes you into the adventure. You'll get to harness your strength, whichever direction you choose. Learn to endure what life throws at you. When you persevere, the rewards will taste so much richer. Embrace the thrill as you press on through each challenge. That rush of acceleration, the momentum you start when you step out of the comfort zone. Take the time to rest and reflect. That part is just as important as the grind. Pause to think about your next step. Remind yourself of what fuels you. Reignite that passion. Remember that the right amount of heat yields results. As seasons change, it may take time. Trust the process, and eventually, the fruits of your labor will ripen. It's all these different moments. Being open to try new things, rediscovering old things, the appreciation for diverse experiences that I believe are the ingredients of the recipe of a life well lived. One that will inspire you to evolve, create, and master every scene.